Hi guys! I sort of fixed the lights, now it looks like a little better. I already did my eyebrows and I primed my face already and moisturized and all that, so I can just get into the video already. I did the same thing I've been doing. I've used Smashbox. From there I used this one named Canyon. That's what I used for my eyebrows. And for my primer I used this again. I wanted to do I don't know, I guess I'll say it, like a bad bitch type of look, because I have these like rhinestones I've been wanting to use. I have these as well, but I don't think I'm gonna use these. I think I'm just going to use these because they're very cute. I'm gonna be using this. It's Anastasia's Contour Cream Kit, and I'm gonna be using the first one, which is called Fair. Honestly, it's probably gonna be a very natural look, hopefully. I don't know, I'm winging it. Let's see what comes out, right? Now I'm gonna be using the Becca Hydra Mist Set and Refresh Powder. What color would be considered like a bad bitch color for you? I honestly don't know. So I'm gonna be using the James Charles Mini Artistry Palette, and I'm gonna start out with this one called Canvas. adding the rhinestones. And I'm going to be using the eyelash glue that I was using right now. Now I'm going to be putting one under here, like in the middle. I really hope you enjoyed this video. This was a very random video. I winged this look. I don't even know what I was doing. Well, I did, but I was making up the look as I went because I did not know what kind of look I wanted to do for this video. But I guess this would be like a bad bitch type of vibes. I really hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment if you'd like. You don't have to. If you'd like to follow me on any other social media accounts, it'll be at the end of the video. I really hope you enjoyed this look and this video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!